guys, it's Flora and today I'm going to be giving you a room tour of the Flora Hotel in Cala, Galdana. Let's get started. So we come through this door here, and on your right you have a bedroom. It has two single beds and two bedside tables. Here is just the view of your outside of your apartment. And we have a wardrobe here. It actually has a lot of space, a lot of room, so that's good. Then here we have a mirror, and we have the bathroom. You've got the toilet there, mirror, sink, and then you've got the shower, and the floor is non-slip. Come out of the bedroom, and here we have a sink, a toaster, and a coffee maker, a kettle, and a fridge, table with some chairs, and over here you have the sofa. Well, basically the beds come out from under the sofa, so it's the sofa bed there, single bed. Then you have obviously the sofa and a little coffee table. Then on this side you have another table to put all your stuff on, and a TV. Then you come outside onto your balcony, you have a table and chairs, and then you have your view. This is the view from our apartment. Thing to hang your clothes on, and there's actually quite a lot of space. So yeah, that was the room tour of one of the rooms in the Flora Hotel in Galdana. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time on Let's See the Well. Bye!